Ake nginibulise wengane zawethu, ngiyathemba siyaphila bafethu. Iminyango kuyasinda, siyaphusha although ubukhuni akunzima this time, yabo. Kunzima comrade ke kufuna umuntu politically minded, no understand ukwazi ukunderstand i-situation, understand everything eyenzekayo e-country yakho, because if ungakwazanga ukuyi-understand and you won't understand again what is happening now in South Africa, kunzima and futhi so painful ukuthi umuntu umthembe, although yena beke wakwenza a bad thing before, umthathe umbuyise as a comrade wakho uthi no, that person, he was growing up under my supervision, ngimsupervise ukuthi no abe something, ngimnika lolo lwazi nalapha, because I think I'm building a future leader, but that leader I try to build is not a future leader. Maybe nizong understand, because kunabantu abathi mabenza izinto in life usitshela ukuthi wena no, I can still change that person ukuthi abe yilento mina engicabanga ukuthi angaba yiyona, because ngisuke ngibuka i-leadership skill yena, kanti ngibuke wrong, angibukanga ngendlela mina bengiyisitshela ukuthi yena, ngisuke ngamjaja kanti ngimjaja wrong. Comrade, once a sellout, you always a sellout, you won't change. Khona fanele siyazi lento singayizama ukuyi-motivate or siyibeke ukuthi we-understand. Uma ke wadayisa, it's so difficult ukuthi uyeke ukudayisa, because usunabantu abakontrola impilo yakho ukuthi once you change this, we can expose you ukuthi wenzani mabese kutshela ukuthi hambe yokwenzani. Sometimes khona ucomrade okwenza into thothi akafisi ukuyenza, but isimo esimphoqa ukuthi you must go and do this and this. If you refuse, you're not scared to tell people about you, what kind of a person you are. You are not that person they think when uyibona, kanti wena you are not ibona. Wena into efunayo imali, khona abantu abadayisa i-country because of imali, ebona ukuthi no abantu basafarisha but yena dayingisa imali. Comrade uShivambi i-MK bimtrusta ngale ndlela. Uzoma wathi introducer, akekho umuntu ongazange abe happy, but some of us, nina as I myself, mina angazi ngibelieve ebuholini buka comrade uShivambi, because bengimbona benginakho sonke isikhathi la ikhona ngibe khona, yonke into ayenzayo khona la bekuba nama security khona. Sometimes umbona uthi no comrade into ayenzayo it's not okay, but nothing you can say because Secretary General Shivambi, she do a bad things kumkhonto wesizwe, but namanje i-MK akakuvezi konke ukuthi wenzeni. Abantu abanga-understand bathi uzuma ubhizi utshintsha ama-SG, wonke ama-SG womkhonto wesizwe awezile ngale yanto efuna umkhonto wesizwe. Bona beze ngokuzokwakha ama-legacy abo nemindeni yabo. They don't care about the people who vote the MK party. Some of those SG, they didn't vote umkhonto wesizwe because umkhonto wesizwe awubandlululi bokubuyisa ukunikeza a good position, because uyabelivela kuwena ukuthi wena you can change i-country, abantu baphila impilo e-right, kanti wena you are not there. Comrade, umkhonto wesizwe akekho umuntu emenza abe enemy, although when you was against umkhonto wesizwe before, but masufika umkhonto wesizwe we treat wena as our comrade, and sikholelwe kuwena kwi-leadership yakho. Singakholelwa kuwena, sisuke sikholelwa kwi-leadership skill yakhe, sikubona ngathi wena ukuthi no, that comrade he can lead, but when the time goes on uziveza uthi no, I'm not a leader, I'm a sellout. Ngeke uthathe uphuma manje we-organization manje usuveza enye organization soon, awakakhulumi ne-MK ikuthathe ikubeke kwilento kwi-disciplinary committee, wena usuvula yakhe i-opposition party. Okomsothi because even before you was not a member of umkhonto wesizwe, wawuze kumkhonto wesizwe ukuzofeza injongo zabantu abakuthumile. That comrade uShivambi, inkinga yakhe, yabona comrade, uma ungazange uzifundise ukuthi wonke umuntu uyalidwa, koba nzima masefanele wena ulead because wena ujwayelanga ulead. But uma uleadiwe uyokwazi ukulida abanye comrades futhi uyoba leader ngendlela efanelekile, ngeke kube ilento yenziwa abantu abafuna ukuphatha. I remember one day ngihleli namaTanzania uMandela aphuma ejele, athi comrade uyajabula usuzobuyela ekhaya because uMandela ubuyile ejele. Ngathi mina yes I am. Wathi one day uzayikhumbula le Tanzania because when uyophathwa umuntu ade buye ejele ongazi lutho ukuthi bekwenzakalani. La emkhontweni wesizwe njalo abantu abafika bezonivashela bonke banama position, akekho ngenayo position, nonke nifuna ukuphatha, even nasenithola ifreedom niyolwa nodwa nofuna ukuphathwa, ngoba akekho kunina ofuna ukuphathwa, nonke nifuna ukuphathwa. But today I remember those comrades. Bangithethe one day you can miss Tanzania. Even now I miss Tanzania because Tanzania was a peace country. Abantu bakhona bebengakholelwa indweni zama-position ukuthi ufanele ngiphathe, bebekholelwa nje ukuthi bayalidwa. Comrade, sukuthi la khona ngaseyithola inkululeko masophila kanje. We need a quality comrade, a good comrade futhi. Comrade ngiyabonga mina.